up, guys? Paulie here with Modders Inc. and I'm here again with my friend Kevin from ModMyMods, and he's going to be telling us about this Hydro X build they did here at the Corsair booth at Pax East 2020.
That's right. Well, thanks again, Paulie, for having us. It's great. You guys
The pleasure's always mine.
That's awesome, man. We worked with Corsair to put this awesome Hydro X build together. Obviously, we wanted to feature a little bit more pizzazz than just your regular watercooling build, but what we did is we have the inside of this is actually all powder coat. The inside has been it's like a sparkly blue and black vein powder coat that's been pretty much done on all sorts of the accent pieces, including the graphics card, the water blocks, the RAM, pretty much anything that's inside of here that could be powder coated. We tried to do it. On top of that, we also did a couple modifications to the top and to the front. The front, you have a nice Hydro X logo on the front, but you also have a window at the bottom that shows you where the reservoir actually sits. So you have your V5 pump res combo that's in the front here that actually shines through the Hydro X logo, which is kind of cool. On top of that, you have the Corsair logo that's cut out on top. You have the two different LEDs that we ended up using together. But everything that you see inside here, besides the motherboard, obviously, is Corsair. So it's a really big thanks to them to be able to provide us the parts and work with us to put together such an awesome PC. But all of the things that you see there are available from Corsair, minus the motherboard. That was from MSI. Those guys are also great. They were able to work with us, help us out, get that Ace motherboard in here. Intel was able to help us out as well. Pretty sure it was Intel.
Yeah, it's that one.
Pretty sure it was Intel. Yes, it was. It was Intel that helped us out with the chip. And then we had the Dominator RAM, the AX860 power supply in there, all the Hydro X stuff as well. So in the end, I think it turned out to be a pretty decent PC. What do you think, Paul?
Yeah, I think it looks absolutely beautiful.
Thanks,
It
man.
came out great as usual. Now, do you guys sell the Hydro X stuff on modmymods.com?
Currently, no, we don't. We don't actually sell the Hydro X stuff. However, we are working
So don't
with them.
bother buying it.
Yeah. They got some pretty decent stuff though. Don't get me wrong. The graphics card block looks pretty decent, and I love the flow indicator that's inside of that. The pump reservoir looks pretty cool too. All in all, the parts do look pretty nice.
Yeah, no, I know Hydro X is something Corsair has been working on for a very long time, and it's great to see it finally hit the market. The stuff does look great. Given the powder coating made it look just that much better.
Thanks, man.
A little personal touch.
Yeah.
But as usual, it's another beautiful build by the guys at ModMyMods, and I want to thank you again, Kevin, for joining us.
Paulie, thank you as always. We really appreciate everything that you guys do.
Yeah, we try. So stay tuned for more coverage of PAX East 2020, and we will see you guys in the next video.
What is going on, guys? It's Kevin here with ModMyMods, and I am joined with the great Paulie from Modders Inc. here. Give you a little overview about what we have here on display here at the Horus booth. We put this machine together. We call it the Green Machine. I think appropriately named because it's, well, insanely green. The inside is actually all custom powder coat. We took all of the entire case all apart. We stripped it down to pretty much bare nothing. Had it powder coated this green sparkle metallic type paint. And then basically did the same process throughout a lot of the different parts that are on the motherboard and on the graphics card. As you can see, you know, we did a custom green on the back side of the RTX card, and then the RAM, the Thermaltake RAM has actually got the green on it as well. On top of that, you also have the water force board that we did a little custom green powder coat on that too. This particular one, Horus was able to help us out with the hardware. Thermaltake was gracious enough to give us all the water cooling parts besides obviously the water force boards and stuff like that. But all of the tubing, the fittings, the reservoir, the power supply, as you can see, is all donated from Thermaltake. Obviously, a great thanks to them. You know, we wouldn't have been able to put this together and bring it to the show without it. But another big thanks to Horus and Modders Inc. for taking the time to come take a look at our build. You know, without you guys and you know, the community, what are we doing this for? Just for fun? No, we want to share it with you guys too. So thanks again for joining me, and hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the show.